Everyone's fertility journey is different. For many people, having IVF using donated eggs is their way to fulfill their dreams of having a baby. Our donors at Fertility are screened to the highest standard, and we meet them personally, supporting them on their journey in delivering the most amazing gift. We set the bar high to be a donor at Care, to ensure that only those donors with the highest indicated levels of fertility are recruited. The teams at Care have tailored our approach to egg donation to offer significant choice of donors, zero waiting time to be matched to a donor for most patients, cost-effective packages to make treatment more accessible, and excellent success rates. Our frozen egg bank is the largest in the UK, and our patients can select the donor they feel is right for them. Fertility has been leading egg donation IVF treatment for over 25 years, so our patients can be assured they're in the best of hands and that we'll look after them at every stage of their treatment. Over 50,000 Care babies born with love from Care.